Hey guys, Eitan here, and welcome back to another video. Although Surfshark VPN is not entirely free, there is a way to access a free trial plan. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up the free trial and ways to extend it past the initial 7 days. To begin, set up a free subscription on your phone. Once you have an account, you can download the Surfshark app on other devices. Getting the mobile app is easy, just download it from either the App Store or Google Play Store. However, please note that you must be a new user to take advantage of this offer. Once you have the app, add your details and select the Surfshark VPN trial option. The free trial is not limited in any way and performance remains the same. You can test the app's performance for yourself and decide if it's a good fit for you. I tested Surfshark and found it to be an excellent combination of affordability and VPN capabilities. It offers great streaming capabilities for region-blocked content and has minimal impact on internet speed. It's a great option for any use due to its strong security practices and numerous features. It's worth trying out the 7-day free trial, but remember to cancel it before the trial ends to avoid being charged. You can also save on costs by using the discount code provided in the comments section of this review. Additionally, Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, but you must pay up front and apply for a refund at the end of the trial period in case you're not happy with the service. Another way to get a free trial of Surfshark is through their friend referral program. By inviting friends to sign up, you can earn a free month for each friend that stays on for at least 30 days. However, this method does require a large number of friends to sign up in order to make Surfshark free for a prolonged period of time. Alternatively, you can take advantage of a special discount by clicking the link in the description below, or test the service out through a free trial on Android or iPhone. Ultimately, while obtaining good online protection can be difficult, these methods provide a chance to try Surfshark at no cost. I hope this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.